Okay, what's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O'Bennett. Guys, I'm here for an update on my hot new launch of my new business opportunity, guys. As you can see, if you guys can see behind me, the sun is shining. It's a beautiful day outside, guys. I'm all alone at the house, right, except for my dad and my cats. And I wanted to bring you guys an update. You guys have been seeing the videos coming up. If you guys have been listening in on my how to make money conversation on YouTube, then guys, hopefully you're answering a lot of the questions I said you guys should be asking yourself or before you get started in a new business venture, right? So guys, look, we're probably about 6 or 7 days, one way or the other, from the actual launch, when I announce the actual business opportunity that I just joined. And so today, I just want to talk a little teeny bit about if for anybody who's finding this video and you're looking for a way to make money working from home, part-time, full-time, doesn't matter, guys. This opportunity is on fire. It's brand new. Not brand new in the sense that the actual company hasn't been around, but it's brand new in terms of the new model that's been released. Maybe some of you guys have heard of it. Maybe some of you haven't. It doesn't matter, guys. I'm taking my time because I like to do things epically. Is that a word? Anyway, guys, look, this is what I've been doing over the last few days, right? Guys, I got 35 hot new videos, right, across 3 YouTube channels, right? If you include this YouTube channel, 2 other YouTube channels that I created, altogether 35 hot new videos, 22 explosive thumbnails. What else we got going on, guys? I got I did some outsourcing, guys. It cost me a couple of $100, right? But I want to do this thing right? So that doesn't matter. But here's the thing, guys. Here's what I want to talk to you guys about, because it's not about me. It's about us. It's about you. So let me tell you what you can expect, guys, when the actual business opportunity launches for you guys on YouTube, guys. I've already joined, okay? But here's what you can expect, guys. You don't have to talk to nobody. How about that, guys? You don't have to talk to anybody, right? You can do this. And you don't have to talk to anybody. Is that cool or what? You don't have to sell anything to anybody. How about that, guys? Yeah, there are products being moved and exchanged, and there's money being moved and exchanged, but you don't have to sell anything to anybody, guys. Oh, no YouTube videos. I don't know why you've been wanting to do YouTube videos, guys. I'm still on my quest to become internet famous, right? Because I like doing YouTube videos. But you guys ain't got to do no YouTube videos, guys. Oh, here's a cool one. Guys, you can work, but get this. You can work as little as 1 or 2 hours a week and make this thing happen. How about that, guys? That's a good one. Oh, and the best support you're ever going to see anywhere. Hands down. You'll see, right? The best support you're ever going to see anywhere. And we're not even talking about a regular Facebook group here, guys. This is not a Facebook group. It's something different than a Facebook group where you guys are going to be invited in, kind of fellowship, get to see what's going on in the community, right? And training that's beyond reproach. I'm going to read that again. Training that's beyond reproach. Now, I'm not going to say a lot about the business opportunity after that because you guys are going to see the videos going on. But I will say this, guys. When this actually launches, you guys are not going to see me for a while because I got to move to another channel and finish up some things, right? Because I'm bouncing between YouTube channels, putting this thing together. Nothing that you guys are going to have to do. This is going to be simple, guys, okay? But once the videos start going up, every now and then I'll pop in and do a video. You're just going to see a plethora of videos, guys, coming up, right? You're just what you're going to see. They've been uploaded. I'm working on them. Hopefully, by Tuesday of next week, the actual announcement of my business opportunity, we'll talk about it. You guys will see the videos going up. I'm behind the scenes, making it happen for you guys who looking for a way to make money, working from home, as few as a couple of hours a week. Oh, I forgot to mention this too, guys. This is a biggie. You can actually get started in this opportunity in less than lunch at Ruby Tuesdays. Let me say that one more time. You can actually get started in this actual opportunity for less than lunch at Ruby Tuesdays. I say Ruby Tuesdays because it's one of my favorite places to eat. And check this out. I'm going to close with this. Wow, guys. An advertising budget of $100 a week or less. Oh, gosh. I'm too excited. Just get ready, guys, okay? Please stay plugged into the channel. If you're finding me for the very first time, subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can see the actually premiere and the launch of my new business opportunity. If you guys are finding me for the very first time, subscribe. For you guys who've been on the channel, go back, watch the videos, get yourself up to speed, because hopefully, guys, Tuesday of next week, Wednesday next week, we be ready to rock and roll, guys. Anyway, miles to go before I sleep, and I'm gonna get some ice cream. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for being plugged in, guys. I'm in full form. I'll see you guys. This is your boy Marlon Bennett wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys, and keep your eyes out for the launch. Peace.